In this tutorial, I'll show you how to promote ClickBank affiliate links using the best free traffic source. And if you follow the method I'm about to show, you can easily make your first $100 online. Let's get started. First, if you don't have ClickBank account, go to Google, type ClickBank and sign up. It's free, but it's restricted to certain countries. But the method I'm about to show you, you can use it to promote any affiliate program. Even if you don't have ClickBank, just watch this video and it's gonna be of help. Affiliate marketplace, there are many niches that you can promote. At the top, offers, new offers, health and fitness, which is good, e-business and e-marketing, that's good. But in today's tutorial, I'll promote spirituality, new age and alternative beliefs. But in your case, you can promote anything like self-help, which has to do with love and relationship offers. You have home and garden, cooking and food, green product and business investing. Like I said, I will promote something from here. So click on it, scroll down. These are the popular offers. So you can sort it by conversion, like high to low. I'm gonna show you like concerning this niche, which is the spirituality niche. You have incredible new personalized astrology, which is $7.33 and 10 cents. This is a high ticket, and if you're a beginner, I would advise you not to promote something like this because sometimes it might be a bit difficult. You have astrology, general, hypnosis, magic and stuff like that. But I'll go to numerology. Numerology pros 50 and 39 cents. Royal numerology 35.95. Master lead city, for instance. Mystic numbers. I'll promote this one. I'll click open a new tab. I like offers with simple landing. This is what I'm gonna do. Since people these days like offers with videos or images, we have to create an image. When people are scrolling, we can catch their attention. I'll go to Canva. In the search bar, type Pinterest and enter. Alright, click on Pinterest pin 1000 by 1500. Scroll down. There are a bunch of templates that you can use, but I'll go with the blank template. Click on element and type numerology. Scroll down. There are a bunch of them, especially if you want numbers and stuff, but in this case I want something with a face on it, like a photo. See all. Scroll down. I've used this before. I guess I like it. I'll still use it. Right click and set as background. Bam, this is good. And I'm gonna add a text down here. Close this by clicking the X, and I need to add shape, and I'll change this to, let's say, white. I'll try white and see if it doesn't work. I'll change it, push it down a bit, and I'll add a text by clicking on it and add sub heading, enlarge it a bit. I'm gonna push it down here, right click, copy, go back and double click to highlight and paste it. But I guess the text is big, so I'm going to push this thing up a bit and bring it down, minimize it, push it a bit, and reduce the text size. And I will change the font to impact. I like impact because it shrinks the size. You see, I'll push this down. It's a great. I'll reduce the size like this and increase the text size, and I'll close the gap a bit. Close this. I'll add some effect, align, and click here and add this as effect and push it to maybe 100. This is what I came out with. I need to go back here, click on Canva again, and click here to add a title, and I'll say no. I'll close this and open this one. I have numerology, Pinterest, which is good for SEO. Pinterest pin. I'll share. To download, click on share, scroll down, click on download, and I've saved $39 because I'm on the pro version, and download. Download is done. I'm gonna close it and close this. I'm done with it. It's time to create the pin. By the way, you need Pinterest business account to promote affiliate links or promote any business. I'll show you quick right here. Pinterest. This is it, how to create a Pinterest business account. I'll drop the link in the description box. So I'll click on the Pinterest menu on the left and click on create pin. Click here. This is the image. Click on it, open, bam, nice and easy. You see right here, the secrets numerology reveals about you. I like thumbnails with faces on it because it attracts a lot. We need to add the title. The title will be, drop this, the hidden secrets numerology reveals about you. Then in the description, I will copy everything, copy, paste it here, because we are promoting this product for the vendors, so you don't have to worry about copyright. But if not, you can rewrite the whole thing. But this is what they think is attracting readers to click. That's why I want to use it. Find out what the hidden secrets of neurology reveals about you. I'll click here, change this to small caps, this one to reveals about, I'll leave that one too, about you. Yeah, because I want those two to stand out. Then I'll go back again, copy this, go back, and in continuation I'll dump this, add find out with just simple. Alright, enter, and I'll add this line, and I'll double click, copy, enter again, Ctrl V. Alright, then I'll move down and I'll add affiliate disclaimer. Alright, you need to add this. You need to, it's a must. I'll say the link in this post contains an affiliate link. I'll scroll down and I need to add the affiliate link. I'll click the offer to promote. Here you're gonna click on it and type your affiliate ID, then you click on create a hub link. I've done that already, I don't want to do it again. I'll copy from my jotter and I'll just paste it. Click in the link and just drop it. I drop the direct affiliate link here. Don't redirect people like cloaking the link with Bitly and stuff like that. They want you to drop the affiliate link because it displays. When I publish, I will show you, it displays where the link is directing the potential customer to. All right, and that's what Pinterest want. If you are directing people to a page to make like $1,000 a day and stuff like that, they don't like that. They'll block your link. You have to do is create a landing page, which I have a tutorial on. I'll show you how to create a Digistore 24. It could be any affiliate program, but the point here is how to create a landing page for Pinterest affiliate program. I'll drop the link in the description box. Next, click on board, and which board do I want to drop this in? This is spirituality and numerology. I don't have a board yet for this type of niche. I'll click on create board, name it and spirituality and self-development. Create. I'll scroll down, tags. I will say this product is about numerology, personal development, and I'll say life and success. I'll leave it like this. Click on publish. You'll see view it. Guess what? This is it. Click save. If I go back to my profile, this is it right here. One post or one Pinterest pin will not cut it. You have to be consistent, like morning, afternoon, evening. Just keep uploading pins, and trust me, when Pinterest knows this is what your account is all about, it becomes easier for the algorithm to promote you on this platform. When people click on this, and let's say they are interested in this, they click on it, boom, it goes straight to the offer. And let's say, which decade were you born in the 70s, in the 80s, let's say in the 80s, then you're gonna have to click the year you were born, and you can take it from there. And trust me, this offer converts a lot. Keep pushing, and I wish you all the best. Imagine if you have people clicking this in a day and through it. Trust me, you can easily make your first $100 online. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.